Hello, this is Brad. I am one of your consumer technology specialists here at Mid-Continent Public Library, and welcome to our program on the gift app Giftster. This is a great app that allows you to organize your gift giving with your family. It's great for around the holidays, and it can be great year-round as well for birthdays, anniversary presents. Maybe you are looking to help your family have some more organization with their gift giving, or maybe you have received an invitation to join Giftster from another member of your family. You might have one of these invitations in your email inbox. Whatever the case, we are going to take a look at Giftster today. I'm going to show you how you can use the app to both create lists, shop for other people, and then even start your own group on Giftster. Let's go ahead and get started. I am going to start out by navigating to a web browser. I will be using Google Chrome today. And then I'm going to search for Giftster in my search bar. It is the word gift and then ster.com. Here is the main page. And since I am brand new, I will be clicking the sign up button. And from here, I will enter my first name, last name, email, birthday, and then create a password, and I will create an account. Alternatively, I could sign in with Facebook. If someone had invited you to use Giftster, make sure you either go through the link in your email or make sure that you register with the email that invitation was sent to. Once you get signed in, this is the screen you will see. I can tell from the little bell icon that I have a notification. And so let's go ahead and click the bell and see what that notification is. We can see that I have been invited to this Smith family gift list. I will press accept. Now I am a member of that group. I am in this Smith family gift list. So these individuals will be able to see my list once I create it, and I will be able to see their lists as well. Let's click My List. And now let's create a list by clicking the New List button. I am going to name my list. It's a good idea to include your name in your list just so there's no mistaking it within the group that you are in. I can add an additional note if I want to, and then I have these options to customize this little header. I can do a different color. I can do one of these different theme options up here. This gingerbread one looks pretty fun. And then I have privacy options down here. If I make the list private, only I can see it. If I make it shared with the groups that I'm in, I will see all the groups that I'm a part of. And if I have that box checked, they will be able to see it. And if I select public, this will let anyone search for my list on Giftster and Google. Once I have decided on my share settings, I will click Create List. Now I'm ready to add items to my list. All I have to do for this is just start typing in the name of the gift that I want here. Maybe I am wanting some gift cards to some bookstores. I just type in the name of my gift. And below that, we have our price range. Since I'm asking for gift cards, they can really range in price, so I'm just going to put in $25. I can say how many gift cards I am wanting, and then I can even rank this. Maybe these gift cards are of moderate importance, so I'll give them 3 stars. And below that, I can put where they might find this gift. Since I said bookstores, I'm going to put in Barnes & Noble and Half Price Books. And I can put a description below that if I want to. And then over on the right-hand side, I could even upload an image of the item if I wanted to. And then I will click Save. And there we see the gift cards on my list. To add another item, I just click the red box right here. And let's say I also need a new alarm clock. Again, I put in the gift name, I rank how important it is, put in a price, maybe suggest some places they can find that. If I wanted to add a description or an image, I could, and then save that. And here is my list so far. Now there is another way to add items to your list. Let's say we went to this website and we really liked this shirt. What I can do is I can go up to my address bar at the top of my page, highlight that, right-click, and then select Copy, and then go back to Giftster, select Add an Item, and then right-click in this top box that says Web Link, and select Paste, and then press this Fetch button. And that will actually search that website and pull all the information for the shirt that I linked on there. Here we see it pulled the shirt. There's a picture of it. It's got the price on there, the gift name, and it even adds a description on there. This is the quick way you can add an item. And then I can add the ranking and save that item, and it will be added to my list. And if I click this website button, it will bring up that website where I linked that shirt from, and someone can easily purchase it. Giftster has made shopping online very easy this way. And that is my list. Over on this left-hand side, I have an option to add gift preferences. And if I click on that, it allows me to put in different clothing sizes. I can put in my shoe size here. I could put in a shirt size, dress shirt size, pants, jacket, dress, and hat size, just in case people are just generally wanting to know those sizes for shopping purposes. Below that, in the interests and hobbies and notes section, I can just put some different interests and hobbies that I have, and I can also add notes below that on items that I don't necessarily like getting, or maybe any allergies I might have, and then just any other little notes I might want to add about gift giving. This could be particularly handy if you were doing a gift exchange with your coworkers. It's just a great place where you can add any other little notes they might want to consider when looking for gifts for you. You can even create your own category below that. And then below that, there are even mailing address options in case you have a long-distance gift exchange. Once I'm done, I will press Save, and it will save those preferences. Now that I've made my own list and saved my own preferences, I'm going to show you how you can shop for other people. We are going to go to the Shop For button. And over on the left-hand side, I can select someone from my group. We see the Smith family gift list, and I'm going to look at Matilda's list. Here we see Matilda's list. She's got lots of different links to items, a couple items that she just typed in there. And as we saw with my own list, if I click this website link, it will take me right to the website where I can purchase this item. I'm going to go back to her list. And if I wanted to reserve this item, if I wanted to purchase it, I can click this reserve button. This will not be visible to her, and that will alert other individuals in our group that they are not able to get that. It'll encourage me to go ahead and complete the purchase of this item. I can navigate to that website or try to find it elsewhere. And with this item reserved, it means that no one else will be able to purchase it. They will see that I am planning to buy that for Matilda. And then once I purchase it, I can select the purchase button, and it will just mark it as purchased on the list. Let's say I was looking to buy these bookmarks, and so I marked them reserved. But then maybe I changed my mind and I didn't think I could get that gift for Matilda. I could just press release, and it will then be available for anyone to purchase. Even if I select purchase, I can release an item and it will then show as available on that list for other people to purchase. Maybe I have an idea for a gift for Matilda. I can select the suggest item button, and then I can add an item to her list. This will not be visible to her. It'll only be visible to other members of the group. But let's say I wanted to suggest that she gets a bookshelf, maybe. Just like with adding items to my own list, I can add a price, where to buy, a ranking, and a description. And then I can select save, and then there will be suggested items. This way you can kind of help the other members of your family or your group in finding ideas. For additional gift ideas, we could always look at Matilda's gift preferences over on the left-hand side. Here we see the different clothing sizes over here, and the hobbies, interests, and then ideas on what not to get them over there. Now that we've seen someone else's list, made our own list, I'm going to show you how you can make your own group within Giftster. We're going to go to the Groups button. And on the left-hand side, I'm going to press Start Group. From here, I can name my group. Maybe this is a gift group exchange for my coworkers. Once I have the name of my group, I can invite individuals. I will need to put their name and then their email over on the right-hand side. Putting in the correct email address is very important because that's how they will be invited to this group, and it's also how they will log in to this group. Once I've added everyone that I need, I will click Save Group and Invite, and then they will receive their invitations. And that is Giftster. It's a very easy, intuitive way to create gift lists and share gift ideas with others. It could be used for the holidays. It could be used year-round. It's a very fun and helpful app. Thank you so much for joining us. If you liked this video, please follow our MCPL 360 Facebook page. We premiere new videos there every Wednesday and Friday at 1 p.m. And if you missed the premiere on Facebook, you can always watch all of our videos on our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our MCPL Mo YouTube channel. This has been Brad. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day.